Little storyteller.
Finley Yeti had big, soft feet and a smile as warm as sunshine on snow. His fur was white like fresh powder, and he loved two things most of all, making yummy snow cones and keeping his mountain friends safe. So Finley had a wonderful idea. He opened a snow cone and avalanche safety school near a sparkling blue river at the foot of the tallest snowy peak. One sunny morning, a fluffy brown bunny named Pip hopped excitedly to the school. His nose twitched with curiosity. Behind him waddled Barnaby Bear, his tummy already rumbling at the thought of a sweet treat. A little snow fox with a bushy tail, named Luna, trotted along beside Barnaby, her bright eyes eager to learn. Finley greeted them with a cheerful wave. First it was snow cone time. Finley showed Pip, Barnaby, and Luna how to scoop soft, clean snow into paper cups. Then he brought out colorful bottles of sweet syrup, red strawberry, blue blueberry, and green apple. Pip made a tall red snow cone. Barnaby chose a mix of all three colors. Luna carefully poured just a little blue syrup on her snowy treat. They all giggled as they tasted their icy creations. After their yummy snack, Finley gathered his students. "Now," he said gently, "it's time to learn about staying safe in the snowy mountains." He pointed to a big picture chart. "See these signs? Cracks in the snow and a whooshing sound can mean the snow might slide. This is called an avalanche." Finley explained that it's important to listen for these signs and always travel with a grown-up. He showed them the safest paths to walk on, away from steep, slippery slopes. To help them remember, Finley taught them a little rhyme. "Listen for the whoosh cracks you must not brush. Stick to the flat, where the snow hat's at." Pip, Barnaby, and Luna repeated the rhyme, nodding their heads. They felt proud that they were learning how to be safe in their mountain home. As the sun began to set, painting the snowy peaks with soft pink and orange colors, Finley gave each of his students a special whistle. "If you ever need help," he said, "blow this whistle loudly, and someone will come." Pip, Barnaby, and Luna thanked Finley for the fun day and the important lessons. They promised to always be careful, and to help their friends stay safe too. Walking home together, Pip saw a small bird caught under a fallen branch. He remembered Finley's lesson about helping others. "Wait!" he called to Barnaby and Luna. Carefully, the three friends worked together. Barnaby gently lifted the branch with his strong paws, while Luna nudged the bird out with her nose, and Pip kept watch. The little bird chirped happily and flew away. Barnaby smiled. "Helping others feels as good as a yummy snow cone," he said. Luna and Pip agreed, happy they had learned to be both safe and kind.
Please subscribe. Thank you.